Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial to create a new Google Classroom effectively. First, I will explain how to create a class step-by-step. For this, you should have a Gmail account. Open a web browser and type classroom.google.com. From the screen, you just click Go to Google Classroom. Click on the plus symbol and choose Create Class. Once you accept the conditions, then press Continue. Now, the Create Class dialog box appears. You just type in the class name. I am just typing 3rd BCA Section B. My subject is Artificial Intelligence. Room is optional. You just click Create. Now, Google has created a class with 4 tabs: Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades. Once you create the class, it automatically creates a class code that can share with your students. You just copy and paste the code here. You just click the display and just copy and paste the code. Here, and you can also post this to the students. Stream is going to be the first tab to communicate with your class announcements. Stream is a conversational hub where we can post our announcements. Now the second tab is classwork. You just create assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, etc. Now I am going to select topic. My today's topic is Unit 1. I can create another topic for Unit 2. We can rearrange the units. Now we create an assignment for Unit 1. You just click Assignment. For me, I am typing AI Techniques. Here we can grade the points. 10 points for this question. We can also specify the due date and time. I'm just selecting May 15th is the last day to submit my assignment. Topic Unit 1. We can add any type of materials to the particular class. You can add it as attachments, or you can add through Google Drive, or else files, links. You can also add YouTube videos with their URL. AI Techniques, Knowledge Representation. Instructions are optional. You can add any kind of material. I am inserting a material using Google Drive. First, I upload the content to my drive. For this I have already created a PPT. My PPT is added here. Just click upload. Here we have 3 options. Students can view the file, can edit the file, make a copy for each student. At any time you can edit or delete the assignment you have created. Next thing, creating a questions. answer type have so many options. Short answer and multiple choice. Third VCAB for all students. 10 points for this. For this also I am entering May 15th. Our third tab is people, where we can add staff and students for a particular class. If you are sharing a paper with another staff, you can add and invite her. Likewise, you can add students also. For this, we should collect all the email IDs or else share the link through a WhatsApp group. Now I am inviting students for this class. I am just entering email IDs. Now I invite the students for this group. Just click the email ID and click invite. It's added here. I'm adding one more email ID. At any time, you can remove the email IDs from the class. You select the participants and send email to them. The fourth tab is grade. We can see it later. Now go to the stream. Here I have posted some announcements. You just copy the link and paste it here. Also, you can post it to the students group. We can use reuse post when we have to send the same message to multiple classes. Go to the assignment part and just click assign. Now it is posted. The due date is May 15th. Can also post the question also. Ask the questions to the students group. So we have completed the assignment and question portion for Unit 1. Likewise, we can create for Unit 2 also. Now we will see how to add materials to the class. You just click the material. You can add any title. You can create a model exam question paper using Google Docs. I have created the one. You can add any number of questions, section A, section B and section C, and post it in the class group. We will see how to create forms and give multiple choice questions. Now we will see creating forms with multiple choice questions. I have opened an untitled form with a form description. Mathematical aptitude. All are multiple choice questions. I am creating the first question. Here we have lot of options. I am selecting multiple choice. Option 1 is 1290. I am adding another option 1605, 732, 1498. Using these tools, you can add any number of questions. You can add question number 2. Likewise, you can add so many number of questions. You can enable the required option and just send it to the group. You can send the form through email or through link, etc. So far, no responses. You can send the form to email addresses by using the send button, or else you just post it in the students group. Thanks for watching.